Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and I'm here at CES, and we'll check out what's new for 2024 with smart home security camera brands that I review in this channel. First though, I'm surprised that Ring downsized their booth this year. They used to have a full house to demo their products. And there's really nothing new at this time anyway, so that is probably why they opt for a smaller booth this year. Eufy is also not at CES, but I think they have a booth at Pepcom, which I wasn't able to attend. Weiss is also not here, and hasn't been for a few years now. But we all know that they will definitely release some new stuff this year. So, Reolink has a booth and has new cameras too, so I'll let them tell you what you're going to expect for 2024.
All right. Here we go with our first product, kind of the superstar of the CES. We got the Duo 3 series, right? Which is coming with the highest resolution ever on a Reolink camera. So we're going to have 16 megapixel on this camera, two lenses, combined image, which gives you a panoramic view with those 60 megapixels. So I guess this is really kind of redefining, let's say, the standards in this industry.
The 16 megapixel also has a new feature called Motion Track, which enables you to see a timestamp sequence of events all in the one image. So if a person enters the field of view, you can see when they entered the field of view, the time, and then when also they exit the field of view.
Here we are showcasing the different solutions we have, right? For Wi-Fi DC powered cameras, for battery solutions, and for the classical, let's say, traditional PoE products. We just introduced this Wi-Fi 6 NVR, right, 12 channel, which is of course working with all the DC powered Wi-Fi cameras. Then we have the hub, right, which is going to be your local storage at your home, right, for your battery powered cameras. And we have our NVR setup, which is of course working with all the PoE cameras.
Hey guys, this is the new Reolink Home Hub. It can handle up to 12 cameras total, either PoE, Wi-Fi or battery. You see the back of the Home Hub, we have micro SD, a wide area network connection and a LAN connection. So for PoE you'd connect up Ethernet switch, and you can connect the PoE cameras directly to it. Two USB ports, one would be for maybe a mouse and the other would be for maybe backing up to a thumb drive. HDMI, so you can connect to a widescreen TV. And then to access the hard drive bay, we just pull this tray out and you can install a 3.5-inch hard drive, expandable up to 6 terabytes. Here's the new battery doorbell from Reolink. It has a wide angle field of view, and it can also record directly to the Home Hub, or you can record independently to a micro SD card. We're very excited also about our 8 megapixel 4K Color X. This is going to be a really strong camera for us. It's an 8 megapixel resolution with Color X technology, which enables you to see color night vision in total darkness.
We're going to extend our dual lens portfolio also to the Argus series, so fully battery powered lineup. And what we're going to have here is the Argus 4, and what we're going to have here is the Argus Track, right? Both of them battery powered devices, both of them coming with dual lenses, both of them coming with 4K. And what we're going to have here is similar to the Duo 3, which I just introduced. So we're going to use both cameras, put it together into one picture, which gives you 180 degree field of view. And for the Argus Track, we're going to use, let's say, the second concept of how to combine those two cameras, those two lenses. One is coming with a telephoto and one is coming with ultra-wide, so you're going to have full view on the scenery, and you have a special second lens which is focusing in on the object that is moving.
I also visited Tapo or TP-Link's booth.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Elaine. I'm here to introduce you our Tapo new comic. And this is our Color Pro night vision technology. So last year, TP-Link has launched this Color Pro night vision technology, and we, comparing to the major competitor in the market, they only adopted 2.0 lenses and smaller sensors in the consumer side cameras, but we adopted super aperture lenses and also larger sensors in our Alt Color Pro cameras. And you can see here, so this is the Color Pro wired camera. Is already available to be purchased on Amazon. And this too, the wire-free Color Pro camera and the Pan-Tilt Color Pro camera will be released this year. This is a Tapo for Pad app. So if you just, it gives you immersive experience to mirror your home's layouts. And it also, so it will be released this year, and you can just simply download the app from the Apple Store and use on any tablet, any tablets. And also this is our hub, the home base. And it connects up to, it is Matter compatible, and it connects up to 16 cameras and up to 64 sensors. And also it provides you massive local storage. It supports up to 16 gigabytes eMMC, and also it can be extended 16 TB by an actual drive. So very secure storage and to monitor all your devices here. And these two are already available in the market, two HomeKey compatible cameras. Both of them has the privacy shutter. And this is our flagship, the doorbell. We will send you one for sure. And this one is our flagship. You can see here, this is a live demo. It provides you 180-degree FOV, very wide FOV, and also color navigation, free AI detection, and also it has a dual power option to be wired and battery. And the battery capacity is 10,000 mAh. So if you choose to wire it, you can also choose to record in 24/7. And this is our video door lock. It can be unlocked by 7 methods: fingerprints, Tapo app, RFID, physical key card, and also the temperature, passcode, and also by voice assistant. So, and this one compatible. This one is also compatible with the Apple Home, and this one combined with the Apple the doorbell. So it has the 2K 5MP resolution.
Zosi, which I reviewed their NVR cameras before, also is here at CES. And they have a 2-lens indoor cam, and one is in the body and is static, and the other one tracks. And this actually has a screen which you can do 2-way video calls. They also have a low-light NVR PoE camera, which I'm interested in testing out. And they also have a dual-lens camera, which the other one is static, and they also said they're going to release a 3-lens one. Comment down below, guys, what are your thoughts on these new security camera products for this year. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.